Thank you so much. Well, this family entertainer releases on the 9th of April. So what can we expect from this crazy adventurous fun ride? Which is with you.
Crazy, entertaining fun ride. That's exactly what you can expect. I think I've had the privilege, and I'm incredibly grateful to Ritesh. I've been a part of this story. I think 18 months ago, when he locked the script, he shared it, and I can't remember laughing out loud as much as I did back then until I saw the film, which was a couple of weeks ago, and it's turned out even better. I think at a time, look, comedy is eternal, right? All of us love to laugh. If you think of the one thing we almost instantaneously share, it's a joke. There's nothing more social than a good comedy, and at a time like this, I think this is the perfect family entertainer for all ages, young, old, men, women. I think they're going to relish this film, and I think it's going to sit right there in the pantheon of great comedies. So kudos to Pankaj.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Ritesh sir.
Yeah, I think he summed it up really well. But for we keep getting asked that you guys are not doing a next buddy film. You'll have done a Fukre or a Zindagi. So Pankaj came to us with this buddy film, but there was a twist with it. Buddy was a gorilla and the lead character on a trip. So that's what you can expect. Have some fun, and it's going to be a new buddy in town. That's what it's going to be.
Cool, and he looks full on musty.
Yeah, exactly. You saw.
Yeah.
They are at the park right now, rather than being here.
Yeah, true that. How we wish we could have had them here, but unfortunately. But Pankaj sir, what about you?
Tell me.
What can we expect?
Like he said, it's been a tough year. Last 1 year has been tough for us, especially for the kids. So the adults have been, voicing their opinion. They've been feeling locked up at home. But I think the kids have not had an option. So it's not a kid film, but it's very kid-friendly. And I hope everyone has a good laugh. And it's tough to make a film with an animal. Like you see, he's not here right now. So, yeah. So I hope everyone likes the film.
Absolutely, as you rightly said, sir, kids were at home, they were not allowed to, at least the elders could step out to do things. The kids were the ones who were locked up at home because of the circumstances, and now they will get a chance to actually go on a laughter ride. So, yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for the insights, and request to please take the hot seat as we are looking forward to the trailer. And as Vijay sir also said that, laughter is the best medicine. We want that from a break from our routine, sometimes serious life. We need hum sabko entertainment aur हंसी मजाक पसंद है. So this is what is going to be Hello Charlie all about. And now, let me take a moment to invite on stage a legend, an actor par excellence, who has been an integral part of the industry for over 4 decades now, and be it comedy, action, drama, he's won everyone's hearts, everyone's. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Jackie Shroff.
That social distance.
Thank you. 2 गज से भी ज़्यादा चले गए, but it's okay. All right, so next up, would like to welcome on stage the gorgeous and the beautiful lady who's going to make her mark in Bollywood with Hello Charlie as a debutante. Please welcome Ms. Shloka Pandit.
Very lovely, keep it up.
And would like to welcome on stage the gracious and extremely stunning Miss Elnaz Nurozi.
Whoa.
I got the last name right, yeah?
You did very much.
Thank you so much. Well, Jackie sir, आपसे शुरुआत करना चाहेंगे. First of all, the gentleman is so chivalrous because every time the lady came out, he was all there. So thank you. We love you for that. You are a rock star as always. You win hearts. वो आजकल बहुत कम है लोगों में यहाँ पर वो नहीं करते. So आपने, thank you so much. Another takeaway and learning from the man himself. I would like to ask, what can we expect Jackie sir, with you from
Fun,
Hello
fun.
Charlie.
It's got my childhood out. In fact, I've been watching all the little clips. It takes me back to school, before school, when you're a little child. It's so pretty, the film. I'm so happy to be associated with the Ds. I really, thank you. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you
made it
for the
happen.
honor.
Yeah,
We have the
to
best.
have you in the film.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. It's what I learned from you guys, what you've done out here. I haven't done for 4 decades, like he says.
Thank you.
It's really fun. Shloka.
Thank you. Shloka,
Yes.
what about you? What do you want to tell the audience?
I want to tell them this film is very close to my heart. It's my first film, and this has been a childhood dream of mine. And working with Pankaj sir, Aadar, Jackie sir, Elnaz, Rajpal sir, I mean, it was a fabulous opportunity and a fun ride. I got to learn so much in my first film, and you're going to love it because it's all heart, it's innocence, there's laughter, there's everything in the movie, and I think everyone is going to just love it,
Yo.
especially the kids.
Thank
so
you.
yes.
Elnaz.
Yeah, for me it's also very special because I've never done comedy before. So going from all the serious stuff to a little comedy, which is cool, I think, because I know whoever knows me and my social media knows I'm pretty crazy that way, and I can be funny. So I'm excited to show that now that I can do that too. And it was a lot of fun shooting it because, you know, when you read the script and you're like, okay, oh, there's a gorilla, you don't know how the shoot is going to be. So, and on top of it, we shot everything outside. Nothing was in a studio or something. So it was a mad ride, literally, and you will see it in the film. So everybody keeps saying the children are going to love it, which I'm sure of, but honestly, I've been telling Sir also, I don't really laugh much when I watch movies because I'm like, okay, yeah, well, that's supposed to be funny. But in this film, I laughed so much myself. I'm not saying it because it's my film, I'm saying it because it's funny. So I think everybody is going to love it.
So we are looking forward to the mad avatars that all of you have in the film, yeah?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Come and thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, and I request you please take the hot seat. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
Hot?
much.
It's hot?
Right there. When you sit there, of course it's going to be a hot seat, right?
Now.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. You know, I've been saying fun ride, fun ride. She said it's going to be a fun, mad, crazy ride. Get ready for a family entertainer full of laughter. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the most awaited moment of the day. It's time now for us to see the trailer of this fun, mad, adventurous comedy film, Hello Charlie. All right then, can we have the trailer, please?
तोतो रुको ए क्या कर रहा है तोतो ओ हाय गाइस हाय अरे कंट्रोल तोतो सिट बॉय सिट सबको नमस्ते करो डू नमस्ते गुड बॉय
Hello, Charlie. How are you? Thank you so much for joining us.
Sachin
Father,
bhai.
thank you. Thank you. It's a pleasure to have you here.
थैंक यू सो मच
Toto! What's up? Good to see you.
And I have to say first, I'm very, very sorry that we were a bit delayed. We were in a theme park because this naughty boy couldn't control himself. But हम finally आ गए हैं. हमारा trailer launch है. We could never miss it for the world. And we're both excited. Aren't you excited, Toto? Good boy.
He is absolutely a good boy. And Toto, I think now Toto would want to rest because he's panting, and I'm sure he wants to rest. If you,
केला
Charlie.
खाओगे? केला खाओगे? Okay, go backstage. Go.
Oh yes, we've got a stock of bananas right there at the backstage. Backstage, Olo, please give way. Thank
Bye,
you so
Toto.
much. Thank you. Ada, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so
And,
much. Thank you. Hi, guys.
Thank you for bringing. Let's have a huge round of applause for Ada. Thank you. And thank you for bringing Toto too.
Of course.
Yeah, so we've already got a glimpse of as to what the madness is, but you want to tell us a little more about what the madness is going to unfold on the 9th of April.
Oh, Hello Charlie is a film that's very, very special to all of us, the entire cast and crew. It's something we worked very, very hard on. प्यार से मेहनत से हमने इस फिल्म को बनाई है. And it's a fun-filled adventure comedy. And I promise that ये फिल्म आपको हंसाएगी, मुस्कुराएगी और भरपूर entertain करेगी.
We're looking forward to it. Thank you so much, Ada.
Thank you so much,
And
man.
I request you to please join the hot seat.
Hot seat?
Which is
Okay.
already hot
Okay.
because of all the hot individuals who are sitting on that chair. So thank you. All right. Now that we've got Ada, we've got Charlie, we've got Toto, we've got the entire Miller, and वो माफ़ी चाहते हैं कि बीच में थोड़ी टोटो ने हमारी बोलती बंद कर दी थी कि मेरे अलावा तुमने कैसे ये ट्रेलर शुरू कर दिया, तो भाई रुक जा यार, पीछे तेरे लिए स्क्रीन लगाते तो देख ले. सो टोटो ऑल्सो वांटेड टू विटनेस दैट, सो apologize for that bit in between. But once again, congratulations to Amazon Prime Video and Excel Entertainment, and thank you so much for bringing us this madness, this laughter ride, which is releasing on the 9th of April 2021. And I'm sure a lot of questions. All the friends from the virtual world also have questions. अगर सवाल हैं तो आपको पता है क्या करना है. आपको लिखना है chat box में at the bottom of the screen. There's a chat box. उसमें लिख भेजिए आपके सवाल. But follow this, that please mention पहले आप किससे पूछना चाहते हैं सवाल. Then mention your name, then the publication that you belong to, and then the question. That way it makes us easier for us to address it to the right individual from the makers and the cast of Hello Charlie. And the ones who are present here, definitely I'll hand over the mic and the floor will be open for Q&A. But I have a few questions as well before we open the floor for Q&A. So may I request all the makers to please join us on stage. The crew, the makers, everybody, please. The cast, thank you so much. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Elnaz here. May I request, please? Thank you. Jackie sir. Jackie sir.
We
May I
all
request?
together.
Over there. Vijay sir. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, and all the best for this crazy, fun, mad laughter ride we are looking forward to on the 9th of April. And thank you once again. A couple of questions that I have before we open the floor for the Q&A. So if you guys permit, yeah?
Please.
All right, starting with Vijay sir. What do you have to say regarding the collaboration between Excel Entertainment and Amazon Prime Video, that it is bringing us films from different genres, so many different genres?
Look, one of the things that we've really respect Excel for is their focus on creating multiple themes and stories. You know, not just on the film side, but we have a very deep relationship with them across formats, including shows. And just the sheer variety that they're able to bring means that they have a very collaborative, creative ecosystem that gives voices to different kinds of storytellers. And it's really amazing to see their body of work over time. And that proof is out there for everyone. I think, for me personally, what's always stood out is Ritesh's ability to take risks and back genres that we know inherently will be loved, but at the face of it, you know, everybody kind of shies away from. If you look at the work they've done with Fukre, for example, or more recently, Gully Boy, when you look back, you say, wow, great film, amazing entertainers, really funny and all of that. But when you actually put them together, not too many people have the vision that he does to back this. Again, I go back to my earlier comment. I was part of the early script, and I haven't laughed that loudly, and you saw just a glimpse of it. This is I think 2 minutes of a promise of about 2 hours of madness. You know, so hats off to him, you know, to be able to back that, because in these kind of things, it's really the story, you know, that makes